episode sa ato ang Boss Am TV. Kung asa mo makatuon o mga bag-o na po niya lesson sa mathematics. Okay, so dili ta magdugay. Ang topic na to karon is about direct variation. Okay, so since nata sa quarter 2 sa ato ang grade 9 man yata ni. So mo na siya, direct variation. There are 4 types of variation. You have the direct, inverse, the joint, and the combined. So dali lang sa ata, direct variation. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, the Boss TV. Okay, let's start. Direct variation, whenever a situation produces pairs of numbers in which the ratio is constant. Okay, so when we talk about ratio, it is all about fraction, no? When we divide two numbers, the answer of that is, and that is a comparison between two numbers. So, ratio ang pasabot, ana. Okay? Pag naka-numerator, yan na po denominator. So, ratio na siya. Pwede po siya isulat niya 1:2, 2:3, example, just like that. Okay, so kung saan pagkabalo nga direct variation na siya. So, natin mga statements. Okay, number 1. We have y varies directly as x. Okay, now, itong y at saka itong x, representation lang yan siya. Pwede yan gagamit ng ibang mga letters. Pwede na v or z or a or m and so on. Okay, so y and x, there is only a representation. So, yung keyword mo dyan is the word directly. Pag meron kang nabasang ganyan, pasabot na direct variation. Another one, we have y is directly proportional to x. Okay, so yung hint mo is directly proportional. Okay, so directly proportional, pasabot na direct variation. And we have another is y is proportional to x. So the word there is proportional. So yung directly proportional at proportional, ang ibig sabihin niyan, ratio. Okay, next. Direct variation can be written in the form of y equals to kx. So ganito lang ang pagsulat or paggawa ng formula sa direct variation. Again, itong y at saka itong x representation lang yan siya. Okay, where k is the constant of variation. So, okay, constant of variation. Since nasa direct variation tayo, ang ibig sabihin ng k dyan is ratio. Okay, so ratio. So, kung isosolve mo yung y, paano makuha ang value ng k? Yan, pag isosolve mo yung k, paano makuha yung value ng k? So, eto lang siya. Ayan. So, from y is equals to kx, so magiging ganito lang, para makuha mo yung value ng k, you need to divide y by x. Yan. So, itong x, ito, i-divide mo lang yan dyan siya sa y. Yan, para makuha mo yung k. Okay. So, example, how to write an equation of a given statement. Okay, so direct variation tayo ha. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin dito, itong buhaton dire is magbuhat og variation statement based sa direct variation. Okay, so number 1, the area of a triangle varies directly as height h. Okay, so the area A of a triangle varies directly as height h. Okay? So pag magbuhat ka og equation ana based sa direct variation, ang answer ana kanilang. So A equals to KH. So ana lang. Wala lang siya. Another. The volume V is proportional to height h. The volume V is proportional to height h. So, di ba, lahi og term ang gigamit, no? Varies directly, tapos sa number 2, proportional. Kung pasabot, anak gihapon, direct variation. So, unsaon nimo pagbutang og equation ani? So, isulat lang nimo ana lang. The volume V is proportional to height H. So, wala na siya. Kana lang. Okay. Problem number 1. If y varies directly as x and y equals to 24 when x equals to 6, find the variation constant and variation equation. So, natin mga steps diri, i-follow lang ninyo unsaon pag-answer. Okay, variation statement, that will be number 1. Makita ninyo ang variation statement based lang po dito sa problem. Okay, kasagaran nakabutang na siya sa pinakauna. Okay? So, y varies directly as x. So, yan, mo ni ang ato ang variation statement. Next, we have given. Okay? So, yung given, makita ninyo sa ato ang problem na diha, nakahatag na nadaan. Okay? So, y equals to 24, x equals to 6. Ang wala na lang is ang value sa ato ang k. Next, formula. So, based ato ang variation statement, magbuhat karon og formula. So, since our variation statement is y varies directly as x, so therefore, ang formula nato, y is equals to kx. So, ana lang. Okay? Then, solution. Y equals to kx, substitute nimo ang y, 24 equals to k, walang value. Tapos ang x is 6. After that, i-divide mo itong 6 sa 24. So, divide 24 divide 6 equals to k. So, you have now k is equals to 4. And that will be your variation constant. Okay? Pagkahuman ana, use the value of k to get the equation. Okay? So, variation equation. So, ito man yung formula natin. I-substitute lang nato ang value sa k, which is 4. So, mauna ni siya. Y equals to 4k. And that will be your variation equation. Okay. How about problem number 2? If x varies directly as y and x equals to 35, when y is equals to 7, find y when x is equals to 25. Okay, kani so medyo dagan-dagan siya no kay atong tan-awon murag daghang mga numbers ana. Okay? So sa pag-answer ani, i-follow lang gyapon nato ang steps. Hinahinayon lang ko nato, dili man na siya ingon ni kwan. Okay, so here is your problem. Okay, so yung una mong gagawin is to find the variation statement. Yung variation statement mo is x varies directly as y. Okay? After that, identify nimo ang given. Ana. So, pag ma-identify nimo ang given, so muna ni siya. Okay. Kung kabantay mo, bantayin ninyo ni, naatay x isa, unya na napuntay x isa, so duha. Since duha man na siya, mo gamit ta karon og subscript. Kani. Okay? Ang isa ay mo na tong x sub 1, ang isa po di mo na tong x sub 2. Ana. I-subscript lang nato. Anya, ang y pod nato, duha pod na. Duha man po na siya. So, gamit niya pong tag-subscript. So, mo na ni siya. So, ang second y na to, that will be your y sub 2. Wala pa siya answer. Ana, wala siya answer. So, muna karon na itong pangitaon kung siya answer, ana. After that, gawa tayo ng formula. Okay. Ang formula, again, based sa ato ang variation statement. Okay? So, since ang nakalagay dyan is x varies directly as y, so yung formula na gagamitin mo is x equals to ky. Ayan na? Ganyan. Okay. Now, to find the value of k, so magiging ganito lang yan siya. Okay? I-divide mo lang yung x sa y. So, muna na ang imuha karong ratio. Ana. Muna naman kay k, muna na imong ratio. So, solution. Since sa naman kay ratio, muna na imong gamiton karon sa pag-solve. So, maingon ani na siya. Okay? Okay. Duha man na to ang value sa x, duha po na to ang value sa y. Okay, so inani na. Again, gigamit lang nato niya kaniyo, kani siya. Ito. Mula na itong gamiton. X over y. So, mahitabo, we have x sub 1 over y sub 1 equals to x sub 2 over y sub 2. Since proportional man yan siya, di ba? Meron tayong word na proportional sa direct. Okay. So, solution tayo. X sub 1 equals to 35. Y sub 1 equals to 7. X sub 2 equals to 25. And y sub 2 has no value. Okay. Now, unsa atong buhaton ani? Sa buhaton na to ana, we will cross multiply. Yan, i-cross multiply natin yan. So, ang mangyayari, muna ni siya. We have 35 times y sub 2 equals to 7 times 25. Okay, nag-cross multiply man ta. Okay, cross multiply. Ganyan. Okay, so 35 times y sub 2 equals to 7 times 25. That is 175. After nyan, i-divide mo both sides ng 35. Ito, numerical coefficient ng y, 35. Yan, divide mo both sides. So, that means, itong 35, wala na yan siya. So, pasabot na, 175 divided by 35. Now, your final answer will be, y sub 2 is equals to 5. Since itong 175 divided by 35 is equals to 5. And that will be now your final answer. So, inana lang pag-answer sa direct variation. Okay, so daghang salamat o hulat na punta sa atong sunod nga video. And ayaw og kalimot sa pag-like, share, and subscribe sa ato ang YouTube channel. Maayong buntag.